Hi, Mark Leibman with another episode of Clients. You know what I'm talking about. Today, DIY or DI don't. Okay, that doesn't make a lot of sense, but sometimes taking the DIY route doesn't make a lot of sense either. In many industries, people distinguish between DIY and DIFM. Do it yourself versus do it for me. The same is true of investing and financial planning. For example, you may not be a carpenter, but you might have the tools and skills to build a deck. Add in some information, time, and motivation, perhaps a new deck will appear in your backyard through your own efforts. DIY projects don't always work out, but when they do, it's rewarding. You get something many others would pay money for. I've mentioned before that I mow my lawn with a checkbook, a classic case of DIFM. When the do-it-for-me route works out, people trade money for the time and ability of professionals in order to get what they need. When it comes to your goals in financial planning with us, it's either a DIY thing or a collaboration. We may help you discover what you're trying to do or handle some arithmetic, but you are the expert in your goals. On the investment front, though, we operate on a DIFM basis. We research investments and manage portfolios for those who do not want to go the DIY route, do it yourself. DIYers have plenty of resources available other places, including our digital media, but we're too busy trying to grow the buckets for those who say, do it for me. Clients, you know what I'm talking about. Stop in and see us at 228main.com, online or on Main.